Hi everyone. This little trick forces users to fill cells from left to right before moving ahead. For example, if cell A2 is empty, the user won't be able to enter anything in B2. And if B2 is empty, data entry won't be allowed in C2. In simple words, once A2 is filled, you can enter data in B2, but not in C2. After B2 is filled, only then can you enter data in C2. This works row by row in the same way. To apply this, first select the range where you want to enforce this rule. Then go to the Data tab, and in the Data Tools group, click the Data Validation dropdown. This opens the Data Validation dialog box. On the Settings tab, choose Custom from the Allow dropdown and make sure to uncheck Ignore Blank. Now enter the formula shown on the screen. It's important to understand this part. You must base the formula on the very first left cell relative to your selection. For example, I've selected the range B2 to C10. The first cell where the restriction applies is B2, and the goal is to prevent data entry in B2 unless A2 is filled. Next, go to the Error Alert tab and type a message to inform users that they need to fill the left cell first. Click OK. Now, if you select each cell one by one and open Data Validation, you'll notice something interesting. Excel automatically adjusts the formula for every cell. For B2, it is A2. For C2, it becomes B2. For B3, it changes to A3, and for C3, it becomes B3. Excel handles all of this automatically. Now try entering data in B2 or C2. Both will fail. You must first enter data in A2. Once A2 is filled, you can enter data in B2, and only after that in C2. The same logic applies to the entire selected range. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more practical Excel tutorials.